Yo, what's up, guys? What's going on? What's good? What's good? All right. Let's get some bubbles on the screen here. I forgot to pull up the Jasmy chart, so let me pull that up real quick, guys. We'll have a look at the chart, see what's going on. How's everybody doing? Little bit of a recovery today, eh, guys? Not too bad. Jasmy up 15.3% right now. You'll love to see that. You'll love to see that. Some reason these stupid Binance charts keep resetting on me. All right, so just adjusting this chart here, guys, before like I said, the Binance chart for some reason keeps resetting on me, so I don't know why that keeps happening, but I digress. Anyway, all right, here we are, guys. Here we are. Let's pull up the chart. Boom, check it out. Look at that recovery, guys. Meeting resistance now at 2 cents 5, but played out exactly so far how we've been monitoring it, guys. We said it would wick down and touch support at 1 cent 9. We just wicked down to it, touched it, came back up. Nice bullish hammer candle, and then started our new daily candle today. Look how nice and full and green that baby is. But now we're rejecting off of 2 cents 5, so we'll have to see what happens, guys. It's all going to depend on Bitcoin. Now, when it comes to Bitcoin, I'll bring up the Bitcoin chart here real quick for you guys. When it comes to Bitcoin, guys, this highly depends on Jasmy as well. We're still below that 5 cent, 58K4 is where we need to get back up over to prevent a resistance level, right? So we'll have to see where this daily candle closes, but we did wick down, same thing. So guys, if Bitcoin can get back above 58,400, something like that, then we'll be looking good. The inverse head and shoulders is still very much in play, guys, as well. That's the weekly time frame. We go over to the daily. The inverse head and shoulders is still very much in play, as we can see, right? Nice green candle on the daily for Bitcoin too. Check that out. Very nice. Nice green candle. Inverse head and shoulders. The only way the inverse head and shoulders gets invalidated at this point, guys, is if we close a daily candle below 57,000. That would be terrible, but so far so good. We're so far so good. We wicked down there, but we came right back up again, as you can see. So anyway, guys, could see that inverse head and shoulders play out, or we could see this double top play out. We'll see which one gets validated here. But let's get into the chat, see what everybody's doing. As always, guys, make sure you hit the like and subscribe to help the channel grow. We got to keep it going, shooting for that 6K subscriber mark, guys. So be definitely awesome if you could help us out with that. Big Kev, what's up, broski? Good to see you, man. Yo, Rob, how are you? I'm good, man. I'm doing good. Had an awesome arm workout today, man. So happy I bought that big dip. Market's making a bounce. Team Rob, absolutely, man. That's the thing, brother. That's the thing, man. Listen, over the last like 3 or 4 days, guys, I've been on the channel, been doing these live streams, and I've been telling you guys, I'm buying this dip like crazy, right? And I said everyone who buys this dip is going to be happy in a couple of days, and everyone who's pissing and moaning in the comment section is going to lose out, right? And here we are, recovering. Jasmy is up today so far, 15.3%. So everyone who bought while we were down is up at least 15%. And everyone who cried like a little baby is not up at all. They missed out, right? And I said you'd miss out, and you did. Gary, what's up, buddy? U.S. House may vote to overturn. Yeah, we're going to talk about that We're going to talk about that in this live stream, brother. Thanks for all you do. Hey, thank you for supporting the channel, man. All of you guys, all the members, all the Patreon members, guys, thank you so much for supporting the channel. Daryl, weekend pump, it is. Absolutely, brother. You'll love to see it. Chris, do you all think we can reach 3 cents by the weekly close? I mean, we got to get back up over that. We got to get back up over that 2 cents 5 level, right? It's a resist. It's going to be a strong resistance level because it was a strong resistance level before, and it's a strong resistance level yet again. So we'll have to see. We'll have to break through. And here's the thing, guys. I do have a word of caution for everyone, okay? While it looks good right now, understand that the German government has not sold any Bitcoin today, okay? And one of the reasons for that could be that the government could be shut down on weekends. So we could see the German government start to sell off Bitcoin again on Monday or Tuesday, right? Knock on wood, that doesn't happen. I keep saying knock on wood. I shouldn't say that. I'm a Christian. Anyway, hopefully that doesn't happen, right? But it's a word of caution for you guys, right? Just be aware. This green weekend doesn't necessarily mean that there's not going to be more dumping on Monday and Tuesday. So always be ready for every scenario, right, guys? William, what's up, brother? Good to see you, man. Derek, could not believe my luck when they dips came. Splashed out on Jasmy Turbo. Lots of love from Scotland. Thank you so much, man. Scotland in the house. I love it, man. Crypto Holmes, what's up, brother? Good to see you, man. Living in Central Florida says, smash the likes for Rob. Absolutely, brother. Absolutely. Pumped for our meeting tomorrow. Yes, absolutely, man. I got a bunch of one-on-ones booked for tomorrow, guys, for Sunday and Monday. If you want to book a one-on-one coaching session, guys, you got to be over on the Patreon. So check that out. Studio Tech, Rob, just bring a friend into this community. Shout out to Matt. Matt, welcome to the community, my friend. Studio Tech, thank you for bringing your friend into the community. Matt, hopefully we can help you along your crypto journey, brother. Ali G, good comeback, Rob. Yeah, good comeback, Rob. Absolutely, man. Don't call it a comeback. I've been here for years, right? Sarah, the bull market is over. I don't know. I think you got to do your research, Sarah. Bitcoin will be back at mid-60s next week if CPI comes in well. Jasmy to mid-30s. I don't know. Like I said, we'll have to see how next week plays out, man. We could see selling pressure continue from the German government. Again, governments tend to close on weekends. That could be why we're not seeing any selling pressure on the Bitcoin at this time. So just give me a second. All right. Sorry about that, guys. What else do we got? Ty, hey, Rob. Hey there, Rob. Jasmy's pumping hard today. Aside from crypto, do you think silver will do well? Yeah, I do think silver is going to do well. I hold a lot of silver. I like to pick up silver every once in a while as a store of value. I started my crypto journey as a silver and gold bug, actually. So, yeah, absolutely. Absolutely, man. Greetings, Beebs. What's up, brother? Scam. What's up, man? Crypto Homes. Sun is hot. What's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Ali G, I managed to buy the very bottom of XCN at 1 cent 19 and 0.43 in the morning. My alert went off. BTC was crashing, so I watched that wick and it went in. Nice. Congratulations, man. Excellent work, says Holmes. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. Crypto Trucker, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Gotta love that dip, baby. Yes, we are in the green. The bull market is over. More dumping to come. Sarah, as I said before, I would highly recommend you learn how to do your research on a 4-year cycle. Keep dipping so I can fill up on Swift. Yeah, I'm kind of hoping too. I'm really working on another bag of something else right now. Members know what I switched over to. I've just about finished my XCN bags. I'm working on another alt right now. I let the members know, I think it was yesterday. what I started picking up. Galaxy Shooter, what's up, man? Turbo is going nuts. Is it going nuts? Let's have a look at Turbo. Wow, 40%. Nice. Congratulations to everyone who was scooping up Turbo on the dip. Love to see it, man. Jeremiah, what's up, my friend? Mad, what's up, man? Good afternoon. Crypto Q, what's up, man? Hello, Rob, crypto family. Keep missing the live sessions. Rob, I'm not sure how factual it is. XCN's adding 20 million coins a month over month, the course of 75 months. Should there be a concern on the inflation added to the circulation? As always, thank you. I mean, if it's true, then obviously that would be a little bit of a concern, but not one that's going to stop me from continuing to accumulate, though, because I still believe that at worst case scenario for XCN, in my opinion, worst case scenario is it gets back to 18 cents, which is its all-time high, right? So, I mean, and that would be the worst case scenario. And even at that, I would be walking away with a big fat stack of cash, right? So, yeah, absolutely. But I believe though that XCN, even with the addition of coins to the to the market, I still believe it will definitely see new all-time highs, as most altcoins do in a bull run. And a lot of projects do token unlocks on a monthly basis. So, I mean, look at HBAR, for example, is another example. HBAR dumps all the time new coins on the market. I hold a big bag of XCN now. By the way, congratulations, Beebs. I love it, brother. Rob, Matt has joined the community. Shout out again. Thanks a lot. Hey, no problem, brother. No problem. That's a fact, releasing 200 million monthly. However, new white paper will be implemented, a burn mechanism. Yes, read the white paper, guys, for XCN. It always has a release monthly for 75 months, and the burn mechanism is coming. Yeah, and you have to remember, too, we have a new white paper, a V3 white paper for XCN coming out, I believe, August 1st, right, in a few weeks. And I'm going to do another series of breakdowns of the white paper when it comes out. So the last time I did it for XCN, it was like 5 videos. So there'll probably be another series of 4 or 5 videos on the V3 XCN white paper. I'll break it down, and we'll have a look at it, right? Rob, can you look at Myria? I bought 1 million yesterday. Nice. Well, first off, congratulations on your bag of Myria. I love Myria. Very bullish on Myria. I hold a big bag of it as well. Having itself a good day, up 5.7%. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. Yes, I am bullish on Myria. I think Myria is going to mirror what Gala did in the last bull run. Very similar project, gaming platform. A lot of projects are starting to build over on Myria. Like I said before, guys, Mora, for example, is one. I think Myria, if Myria underperforms Gala and only hits 60 to 70 cents, that's still a pretty big freaking win, in my opinion. The tokenomics are very, very similar as well to Gala. So it's very similar to Gala's last bull run. And Gala went to about 82 cents, I think, something like that. So that's roughly where I see the potential for Myria going in this bull run. But again, I'll probably be exiting Myria around 50 cents. I like to front run it and just take my money and run. So living in Central Florida, living in Tampa Bay, in the house. All right, guys. So that's all caught up in the chat. So I'm going to get into the news here, guys. So again, if you have a question, if you have a project you want me to look at, pull up a chart, anything like that, send it over in a super chat, and I will jump right to it. And in the meantime, I'm going to get into the news so we can power through that, see what's going on out there today. And yeah, all right. So let's get into this here. What is first on the agenda? Starting strong with some Jasmy news. Let's check that out. So Jasmy's resilience proves strong as analyst expects bullish momentum towards 60 cents price mark. Following a brutal crypto dip is no easy matter. But all the altcoins that show bullish action so quickly after a market dip is a strong coin in the crypto market. Analysts spot many altcoins showing bullish rallies already. The crypto market experienced a brutal dip with Bitcoin price dumping to 53K. Now Bitcoin is already back to 56 area, and many altcoins are following suit, heading towards bullish upsides. One popular altcoin already making a headway and moving towards bullish action is the Bitcoin of Japan, Jasmy. According to CoinMarketCap data, Jasmy's price is back up to 2 cents. Now it's 2 cents 5, making a 7% recovery over the last 24 hours. It's now 15%. Analysts take a closer look at Jasmy chart to expect what's next for the rapidly growing popular altcoin. One analyst in particular says that the fact of the matter is that despite Jasmy's recent price close, the asset has maintained higher lows while the RSI formed a lower low, bullish divergence. He says this movement marks a bullish pattern for the asset and hits a major price recovery back towards 4 cents price area. In fact, he added that Jasmy is likely developing what could be only recognized as a pre-continuation. In regards to continuation, this analyst has previously shared his price prediction for Jasmy to make a significant price spike between 10,000% and 14,000%. Now, he says the price pump is still very much in play. Similarly, another popular Jasmy enthusiast and crypto price analyst, Steph's Crypto, shared his take on where Jasmy will go next. According to this analyst, the asset has been printing signs for a huge cup and handle formation. That's on a weekly time frame, guys, which could propel the price of Jasmy to 60 cents in the coming months. So very, very bullish, guys. Could see a 60-cent Jasmy. Hopefully, I mean, it would be nice to see it before the end of the year, that's for sure. But there's only like 5 months left of the year, guys, right? Looking good, looking good. All right, what else do we got? So just 500 million away from flipping Litecoin. How soon do you think KASPA will flip? So KASPA's sneaking up on Litecoin and market cap, guys. Can it flip Litecoin? Yes, I absolutely believe that it will very, very soon. KASPA is going to be top, guys, top 10, top 15 this bull run for sure. KASPA is a fantastic pickup in my opinion. What else do we got? We got a solid call here by Captain Jasmy. Now to bottom out, and he said this the other day. He said now to bottom out and then attempt to regain the 2 cent 5 and then 3 cent to push to 4 cents by the end of the month. Can't keep dipping. The time to bounce is now. Good call, guys. He called it perfectly. Bounced down to the 1 cent 9 level. By the way, guys, quick shout out to Captain Jasmy, Jasmy Ambassador as well. Sent me a message a couple of days ago, and I guess they're doing a conversation with Hara coming up. And Captain Jasmy, again, shout out, respect, thank you so much, my friend, was nice enough to offer me the ability to ask a question to Hara. So I sent him the question, and he's going to ask it to Hara in their next meet. So we'll see kind of what happens with the answer to that question. So very, very cool. Thank you so much again, Captain Jasmy, for taking one of my questions into consideration, man. I appreciate you. I appreciate you, fam. All right, what else do we got? Rect Capital says Bitcoin needed a daily close above 56.7 on the purple line here. Bitcoin has achieved it. Now BTC needs to further build on this early momentum in an effort to return back to 60K level to reclaim the blue range. So we needed a close above this purple line. We got it, guys. Now can we break our way back to the upside and close one above 60K? We'll have to see. We're going to stay on top of it. We're going to stay on top of it. That's what she said. All right. Exploring the Mt. Gox impact on the markets. All right, what do we got? There's a considerable speculation about Mt. Gox Bitcoin flows and the associated market pressures, combined with minor activity, Germany selling, and prevailing negative sentiment. The Mt. Gox BTC will test the market's capacity to absorb BTC through Q3. It's too early to predict the exact impact of Mt. Gox BTC on the market. We will need to observe the percentage of holders selling their BTC in the coming weeks to build a more accurate forecast. For the purposes, I've assembled a series of charts that cover the metrics related to the Mt. Gox flow, supply, and the ability of markets to absorb potential selling. So he's got the total market, total supply of Mt. Gox, which is 47,000 BTC, Mt. Gox outflows, Mt. Gox inflows, BTC net flows, and BTC total daily outflows. So as we can see, guys, now me personally, I've said this before, I don't think that we're going to see the majority of creditors who get Bitcoin back from Mt. Gox selling, because why would you sell an asset that you know at 60K, 55, 60K, that you know is going to be roughly 200 to 250K in the next 12 months? Why would you sell it at 50 to 60? Why would you not just wait until the peak of the bull run? It doesn't make any sense to me, right? I personally would wait. Some people will sell, but I think the majority will likely hold. You have to keep in mind that most people from the Mt. Gox days are hodlers. They're long-term old school Bitcoiners, right? So they're not paper hand new people to crypto. So he says net flows currently suggest an inability to absorb sufficient BTC inflows. If large-scale deposits occur from Germany or Mt. Gox holders, prices could drop to $40,000 or even the upper 30,000s in a worst-case scenario. Looking purely at numbers, the market could absorb significant more BTC inflows, but small sales, say a few hundred more a day, wouldn't have a significant impact on the price. OTC deals could also influence the trend. Improvements in macroeconomic sentiment, such as the recent promising U.S. inflation data or upcoming Ethereum ETFs, could improve the market sentiment. So he thinks we could go down as low as 40 to 30,000 to the high 30,000s, right? But I mean, that's a worst case scenario, guys. That would be an absolute dream for me. If we hit like 40,000, man, would I be backing the truck up. That would be absolutely phenomenal for me. The altcoins would bleed like crazy and I would load up. And I preface this, guys, at the beginning of the live stream by telling you guys, look, we have Germany not selling any BTC right now because it's Saturday, right? Keep in mind, Monday, Tuesday, we could start to see selling pressure kick back in when the government is back open for business during the weekdays, okay? So you got to be ready for that, guys. It's not guaranteed, but it's possible. And what we say on this channel, guys, we always have to be ready for all scenarios, right? So, and also, guys, real quick, I also wanted to say, if you're new here, make sure you're hitting that subscribe button. I got a couple of messages the other day from people who've been around for a long time and just said to me the other day they didn't realize they weren't even subscribed to the channel. So make sure you're subbed to the channel, guys. Coin Bureau, like they say, up to 99% of Mt. Gox, 8.2 billion in BTC could be sold, according to an analyst. I disagree strongly with this, and I gave my argument already as to why. I just don't think that most people that are getting their Bitcoin are going to sell at 50 to 60K when it's about to go to 200K. It doesn't make any sense, right? Only a fool would do something like that. There will be some people who just need the money, but most will hodl, right? Michael Vandepop says, good bounce across the market as the Ethereum ecosystem and Binance listings are rallying up by more than 10%. Good first sign. Yes, nice little market recovery. Again, though, we have to see what happens on Monday and Tuesday. The German government needs to start selling OTC to stop affecting the market the way that they are. Whale Fud says, breaking, billionaire Michael Dell, founder of Dell, is reportedly planning to buy a significant amount of Bitcoin. Now, guys, we talked about this. Now, Michael Dell sold off about $1.3 billion of stocks to have dry powder. And the rumor is that he's going to be dumping this onto crypto. Now, this would be pretty close to half, maybe a little more than half of the amount of value that the German government holds in BTC. So that would kind of counter if he purchased it all, if he aped that in all at once, that 1.3 billion, he could be scooping up a lot of that German government dumping action, and that could prevent us from going down that far, right? So another thing to keep an eye on that may counter some of the negativity. What else do we got? Bitcoin ETFs saw a record of 143 million in inflows on July 6th. Proof that investors' interest is increasing. So, guys, retail and these institutions, they're still buying despite the German government dumping, despite some of the Mt. Gox people needing to take their money. We are still seeing record inflows, guys. Very, very bullish on the spot ETFs. Sorry, that's what we're talking about here. BTC bull market in progress, says Rect Capital. As we can see, 2016 we had the halving, and then boom, here we are. Boop, right? We have our symmetrical triangle downside, boom, and now here we are, guys. Here we are, right here. Are we about to go on a massive run? We'll have to see. We'll have to see. And then this is really, guys, if you're voting in the States, this is all you really need to know. It's all you need to know. The picture says it all. I don't need to say any more than that, right? You want to make life-changing wealth? Pay attention to the photo in front of you. All right, what else do we got? So it looks like this is kind of playing out exactly, guys. We went over this chart where we are in the market in a little bit of a bear trap right now, as you can see. Will it play out? We'll have to see. We're going to stay on top of it. And then I've been pressing this on you guys like crazy as well, guys. Bitcoin will continue to crash all the way up. Exactly, guys. We had here 38% dip, and I went over this for the last couple of days, but there's some people that still don't seem to get it. They're like, oh, it's down this much, it's down that much. Yeah, guys, look, it's perfectly normal. We've had these crashes, but we still continue to the upside. This happens every bull run, right? 38% dip, 38% dip, 33, 38, 36, 29. It's going to happen all the way to the top, guys. These are DCA opportunities. That's what they are, right? So take them for what they are. What else do we got? Bitcoin ETF saw, so we talked about this. We had the 143 million in inflows yesterday. We are back, guys. Inflows are picking up. Let's go, baby. These ETF issuers, they're picking up Bitcoin on this dip, man, right? They are picking it up. Biden's veto on SEC crypto rule faces second House vote next week. The United States House of Representatives prepares for a second vote on the bill that was that is planned to repeal the rule adopted by the SEC that demands banks reflect cryptocurrencies on their balance sheets. This decision comes after the President of America, Joe Biden, the initial effort of passing the above resolution in May this year. He vetoed it after the resolution had received a nod from both the House and the Senate. The Staff Accounting Bulletin, SAB 121, laid down by the SEC, has made it mandatory for banks which are in the process of being listed to include cryptocurrencies in their balance sheets. Republican Mike Flood led the opposition of this rule, whereby he asserted that it puts pressure on the banks who want to custody crypto. The first one was HJR 109 that aimed to at repealing SAB 121, but it has been voided by Biden on grounds of the possible financial instability of the market uncertainty. House Majority Leader Steve Scalise says the chamber is eyeing the vote to be conducted as soon as next week. The aim is to repeal the veto that President Biden has put in place, and to do so, a 2/3 majority of the members in the House and Senate are needed. A supermajority vote of 75% is regarded as difficult in this case, bearing in mind that some people have different feelings towards the SEC's ruling. The crypto industry has expressed skepticism about the likelihood of overturning the veto. Alexander Greaves, an executive at Paradigm, noted that reaching necessary votes is likely impossible. This sentiment is echoed by Cody Carbone, Vice President of Policy of Chamber of Digital Commerce, who believes the effort will ultimately fail due to the significant shortfall of required votes. Now, here's the thing, guys. For me, I don't think they're voting on this again in the hopes that they can pass it. That's not what's happening here. This is a shot across the bow of Biden and the Democratic Party that's in the White House right now. They're well aware that they're probably not going to get 3/4 of the vote, 75%, right? They're doing it to keep this issue in front of the public eye, to remind people that Biden vetoed a pro-crypto bill. That's the point of what they're doing here, right? They want this to have, they want this to be picked up by media. They want this in front of the voting people. Biden is anti-crypto. They're going to keep this issue out there as long as possible. And you guys need to pay attention to it, because he is not, understand something here, guys. If you are here and you hate Trump, that's fine. Hate Trump till the cows come home. But if your ultimate goal is to make life-changing wealth, you need to understand something. Biden is not going to let you make life-changing wealth for you and your family while he is in office. It's not happening. He has been attacking crypto for 2.5 years. Now, suddenly, he's pro-crypto, but he hasn't actually done anything that's pro-crypto. You want to catch my attention? You want me to believe you're turning pro-crypto? Fire Gary Gensler right now. Walk him out the door. Then I'll believe you're pro-crypto. Till then, kibbutz. You're done, buddy, right? The resolution aims to address concerns that the SEC's ruling restricts traditional financial institutions from custodying digital assets, potentially limiting the integration of these assets into the U.S. financial system. Proponents argue that rescinding SAB 121 would facilitate greater involvement of banks in the crypto market, while opponents warn the risks associated with financial instability, because the financial system is so stable right now, right? This important vote coming up in the House, the fight regarding the rule from the SEC and the effects on the financial sector goes on. The result will not only encompass the banks and the crypto business, but also define the treatment of digital goods in the framework of the United States. So it is a big deal, guys. And, you know, that's what it is. I told you what it is. It's basically to keep it in front, keep Biden's anti-crypto activity in front of the eyes of the American voter. Jasmy outperforms other altcoins again. Will Jasmy's price rally continue? What do we got? In recent months, Jasmy's price had an excellent performance. Jasmy reached an all-time high of around 4 cents last month. However, Jasmy's price then entered a correction phase amid this week's crypto market crash. Jasmy's price declined quickly and touched the 2 cents 2 level. But where could Jasmy's price be headed next? Since hitting its peak in June, Jasmy has been trading within the descending channel, as illustrated by the blue line on the Jasmy USD chart. Today's market activity saw Jasmy's price surge by 15%, outpacing most other top 100 altcoins by market cap. Only Core and SHIB managed to post larger gains today of the top altcoins. This reversal is particularly important given the challenging week experienced across the crypto market. Following today's pump, Jasmy is trading around 2 cents 4. It's now 2 cents 5. However, it has not yet broken out of the descending triangle. To do this, Jasmy would need to break 2 cents 6 area. If this happens, the overall market sentiment remains positive. Jasmy could swiftly revisit the 3 cent level before potentially attacking new all-time highs. Well, new local highs, not new all-time highs. In the event of a big pullback, the 1 cent 7 level is expected to serve as a strong support, aligning with the 200-day moving average. Technical indicators offer mixed signals. The MACD line's recent cross above the signal line suggests bullish momentum, while the daily RSI at 53 indicates moderate strength. When it comes to the Jasmy price forecast, this will likely depend on its ability to break out of the current descending channel and, of course, the broader crypto market conditions. A strong move above 2 cents 6 could pave the way for further gains. On the flip side, failure to do so might result in a continued consolidation within the channel and closer to the 200-day moving average area. A popular analyst that goes by the name Lambo and has over 30,000 followers on X tweeted today about Jasmy's price action. The analyst noted that even though Jasmy's initially broke below the critical support level, suggesting a bearish move, he now suggests waiting for a weekly close before drawing definite conclusions. Lambo observed that the Jasmy price has since recovered, climbing back above the support level and showing signs of potential bounce. He also emphasized that a close above 2 cents 4 could shift the outlook to bullish. The conclusion of his take could be that the weekly closes often provide more reliable indicators of overall trend direction. Today's surge is promising, but it's just one piece of the larger puzzle. If you are a Jasmy holder or looking to trade Jasmy for the next few days or weeks, you should keep a close eye on whether Jasmy can break out of its descending channel and how it performs in the coming weekly close, which you guys know we always stream the weekly closes. So we'll see what happens. All right, let's look in on the bubbles, guys. Let's have a look at the bubbles, shall we? Look at that, Jasmy, boom, 15% up, 15.4. Nice recovery across the board. BTC's 58K, man, back up to 58. You love to see that. Nice, solid recovery. Looks like we're going to have a good daily close. Look at Turbo, guys, 40.6%. Listen, guys, everyone who was listening to me over the last 3 days and was buying the dip, congratulations, guys. You guys are up very nice right now across the board. Congratulations. And that's the difference, guys. That right there is a difference between people who make money in this asset class and people who don't. People who are not scared, they make the money. Dollar bills, doll. Let's have a look at the Dixie. What's she doing, guys? She is looking red. Love to see the Dixie continuing on a downward spiral. What's the hourly look like? Look at that. Oof. She looks good, baby. Look at the 15. Let's go to the daily. See what the daily looks like. Nice. 5 red days in a row for the dollar, guys. Very bullish for crypto right there. All right. So that is the news today, guys. Let's get back into the chat real quick. See what everyone's talking about. All right. Ali G, 58K, nearly back to 200-day moving average at 58.5. That will be good to get. Yeah, we got about 3.5 hours to hopefully close above that level. Fast Too Curious, what's up, fam? Good to see you, brother. Good to see you, man. Beeves, Rob, I'm sure you're aware, but KASPA has held up very well. Almost like some news is coming. Tier 1. I agree, man. KASPA has held up very, very well. I noticed because I looked at my portfolio the other day and I was like, I feel like it should be lower than this. And then I looked at KASPA and I was like, oh, that's what's balancing me out. KASPA. So I agree, man. I agree. Anthony, hey, Rob, miss being on your live streams while people are stressed over this blessing in disguise. I'm just working to buy more and more and more. That's the plan, brother. That is the plan. Nothing but the North. What's up, fam? Good to see you, man. Good afternoon. Richer than ever. More Jasmy, more Turbo, and Astar. Keep an eye on that one, too. Yes, I am a big fan of Astar. I'm a big fan of the entire Polkadot ecosystem, to be honest with you. So, yes, very, very nice, man. Absolutely. Everybody's in the green right now, guys. Everyone was buying the dip. Freaking love it. I love it, man. Patrick, what's up, fam? Good to see you, man. What's up, you freaking legends? Absolutely, man. Scam. Yo, what's up, Shane? Good to see you, brother. Good to see you. I hope 1 million Jasmy will be enough. That's a nice bag. It's a nice bag for sure, man. You joking, right? 1 million Jasmy, that's good, even if it reaches 62 cents. Exactly. 100%, man. 100%. David, what's up, broski? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. What else do we got? Everybody would be wearing a Jasmy, not a scam t-shirt in the heights of the bull run. 100%, man. BTC is over 58K. Yep. We're trying. Hopefully Jasmy can break over. We got to break over 22 cents 5 for Jasmy here. Here at work trying to stack this cash. 100%. I feel you, man. I've been working a lot of night shifts lately, man. So I'm with you. Show me the money. Little Tom Cruise, Cuba Gooding Jr., baby. Absolutely. Jerry Maguire in the house. Dollars decline is pushing gold close to an all-time high. Love it. Rob, you saw Hoppy? Yes, I did. I think we'll go to 1 billion plus market cap. I agree, man. I've been keeping one eye on it. I agree with you, man. I think it's going to do well. Like I said, I'm hopping in, pun intended. I'm hopping in too, man. Also, 2 other coins will do well. What? Let's have a look. There's a couple. I assume you mean this bad boy right here. Is this the one you're talking about? It's on Ethereum. $23 million market cap. Nice. 100% of the supply in circulation. All-time high 4 days ago. It's up 47% on the day. Wow. 925 on the month. Very cool, man. Very cool. Yeah, this one's going to do very well. Even if it only gets to a few hundred million, at least it'll get to a few hundred million, right? But if it gets to a billion plus, absolutely, man. Good pickup. Good pickup. Like I said, that's the kind of stuff I would stick a couple $100 into and see what happens, right? You can't hit on all of them, and that's what people need to understand. You can't hit on all of them, but you throw a couple $100 into plays like this, you know, you stand a really, really good chance of making a decent little profit, right? It's draggy. Nice. Another one. It's on Ethereum as well. Only an $11 million market cap. Wow. Good call, buddy. Good freaking call, my friend. What's the month look like for it? 568. Yeah, this one's got a lot of run still in it, man. A lot of run in it. MetaMask, Trust Wallet. That's where you're going to have to pick it up. Good call, brother. Good call. I dig it. I'm digging it. Studio Tech. Rob, I told you yesterday we need men, not boys in this situation, especially in these dips. Absolutely, man. You are correct. Josh. What's up? I only hold over 1 million because I only hold over 1 million because you. That's a good bag, man. That is a good bag. What's the price prediction on Aerodrome? I don't have one right now, my friend. I'd have to do a little bit of a deeper dive into Aerodrome to give a price prediction on it. Rob the Magic Man, absolutely, man. Good to see you, Stefan. Jasmy holders, 2 cents 9. Happy. Yes, exactly. Any thoughts on Foxy? What's Foxy doing today? $52 million market cap. 30% of the supply in circulation. It's up 7% on the day. It's had itself a rough month, so even though it's up 7%, 8.8%, it would still be a good DCA opportunity today, considering how much it's down on the month. It's on Lena. contract is Lena, all-time high a month ago, 4 cents. Ooh, I can get it on L Bank. Guys, in case you're wondering, L Bank is the channel sponsor. So if you want to utilize another exchange, check out L Bank. Link is down below. So yeah, this looks like a decent one too, man. Looks like a decent call. Nice low market cap. I love these nice little low market cap gems, guys. I love it. I love it. Will Jasmy break 4 cents in July? It's possible, but we need to see the selling pressure on BTC kind of needs to be alleviated, right? Over 58K BTC. Yeah, it's looking good. Looking good. Where are we at now? 58.1. Still climbing. Bitcoin is still climbing. Let's actually let's pull the Bitcoin chart up. We'll put the Bitcoin chart on the screen while we chat here. Look at that. Boom. She looks good, guys. It's got to break back up above 58.4. We need to close this daily candle up over 58.4 first off. Actually, a little bit higher than that now. 58.6. If we can close above the 200-day moving average, simple moving average, that would be the first goal for me. So 58.6 would be where I want to see it close. Netherlands versus Turkey, 2-1. Nice. Yeah, Knight Rider. Bro, I can't stop buying Type AI. I love the tech behind it. Yeah, man, it's fantastic. I agree. When I first saw Type AI, when we brought it over to the members all those months ago, fantastic. I agree with you, man. Their use case is like, and they don't even really have much competition either. Will we do members only live streams tomorrow? Yes, we will. XRP has come back from the dip too. Maybe this is the start of some kind of rally. It needed. Well, I mean, everything. You have to understand that pretty much everything was massively oversold, right? Massively oversold because of the dip, that pullback. So yeah, we were due to see some pump action, but the real test, guys, is what's going to happen Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, right? Is Germany going to start selling off BTC again, or are we in the clear? Are they going to start selling it on OTC, right? Check out Flappy. It has exchanges. Not sure if Draggy does. Draggy's, you got to get Draggy on MetaMask or Trust Wallet using Uniswap. I looked at that already, but I can look at Flappy. Flappy, slappy, flappy, right? Flappy is $11 million market cap. Very nice, very nice. Up 21% on the day. Wow, 229% on the week. That's a good week considering how bad the week has been. Look at that. Look at the month. Wow. This one really moved against the market. Very nice. Very, very nice. All-time high was 4 days ago. You got to get this on your MetaMask and Trust Wallet as well. Yeah. Great early projects, guys. I love seeing it. Big Watch Dude, what's up, fam? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. All right, guys. So listen, that is the news. We're caught up in the chat. I got to start getting ready for work. I got a long night ahead of me. So make sure you guys hit the like, hit the subscribe button, guys. We'd love to have you stick around. Also, guys, again, we're booking. My slots are running out very quick on the coaching sessions over on the Patreon, guys. So if you want to get in on those, jump over to the Patreon, check that out. And we'll be uploading some more technical analysis training videos in the next day or two as well. And if you want to participate in tomorrow's members only live stream, guys, click the join button or the link in the chat for that. And yeah, that is about it, guys. So have yourselves a fantastic Saturday. Behave yourselves. Don't do anything I wouldn't do. Wait, don't do anything I would do. Wait, don't do anything. Okay? All right. Have yourselves a great night, and I will see you guys tomorrow.